Breaking news coming in that Myanmar army has intruded into Indian territory in Manipur. We are getting more details from Srinjoy Chaudhary now joining us on the phone line. What can you share with us, Srinjoy?
Yes, this is something that happened about 2-3 days ago, and this is something that the Indian government is aware of and is having to take it up with the government of Burma because very clearly this is something unexpected, and India has sufficient forces there. There is strong diplomatic ties, what we hear from the government, that this has to be taken up and has already been taken up by the government to ensure that things are sorted out as soon as possible. When the effect comes on the ground is something we will have to see.
Srinjoy, could you give us more details as to when this intrusion happened and if so far any diplomatic steps have been taken to resolve the situation?
Well, as far as we know, this happened about 3 days ago. And we also know that some diplomatic efforts have already begun to ensure. There is also attempts on the ground to ensure that this gets sorted out.
Srinjoy, now we do know that the Assam Rifles, which is guarding the India-Myanmar border, is yet to issue any official statement on this. But are you picking up anything from your sources?
Yes. What we know certainly is that the Myanmar army certainly made an intrusion. There is no dispute about that. It happened about 3 days ago. And there are efforts to ensure that it gets sorted out.
Could you give us a sense of the geography where this has happened? What kind of area this is?
Well, this is a border area. It's a hilly area. It's right on the Manipur-Burma border. And this is not a place where there is a lot of patrolling. This is not a place where there is a sufficient force and strength.
All right, Srinjoy, we're also joined by Geeta now. Geeta, India and Myanmar do share cordial relations diplomatically. What has spurred on this intrusion?
Well, what has happened over here is that Boundary Pillar 76, government sources have told Times now, is an undemarcated area and it is a disputed territory. But there is no reason for Myanmar to have built those camps, and India has in no uncertain terms told Myanmar not to build those camps, or the camps that have been built to remove them, to take them off immediately. And for now, what we are given to understand is that Myanmar has taken note of it. The Assam Rifles CO level talks are on between India and Myanmar. Ministry of External Affairs has asked the embassy in Myanmar, in Yangon, to take up the matter with the Foreign Office. What we are also given to understand is that the undemarcated area of border Boundary Pillar 76 is going to be needs the Surveyor Generals to go and have a look at it, and then the foreign offices of both the countries will be looking at it and then solving the entire problem. The Boundary Pillar 76 has to be demarcated, but for now, what Myanmar has done is violated the terms by building camps in that territory, which is undemarcated yet. And the Indian government has made it very clear to Myanmar that those camps will have to be removed as soon as possible. Myanmar's government has taken note of it, is what we are given to understand, but they have not told India as to when they're going to take the camps off the undemarcated area.